Hello, friends, and welcome back to Storytime at Nana's house. So good to have you here once again. So, I found this really awesome book today that you are going to absolutely love, and it is called The Hippopotamus. This book was written by Aaron Zantz and published by Two Lions Publishing. Can't wait for you to hear this one. It's really awesome. You ready? Here we go. There was a hippopotamus who hiccuped quite a lot of muss. And every time he got a miss, he'd fall upon his bottomus. One day he saw an elephant with cakes of green and yellowfin. He tried to tell her, "Hello, friend," but it didn't go so well-a-fin. He chased him toward a centipede, pouring new cementipede. He hiccuped by accidentipede. And tripped the elephantipede. Uh-oh. They ran near a rhinoceros with minty dental phosphorus. His string went all crisscrosserous, and that was the last Strodicus. They tried to find a therapy, some cure which with they could therapy. A what or why or wherapy? To stop this long nightmare be. So they wrapped him round with licorice and spun him very quickerish. They secured him to a buffalo and made him huff and buffalo. They acquired an aquarium and flashed him something scarium. They poured him tubs of vinegar and tickled his chinny chin jigger. And then at last a miracle! His hiccup so severical just didn't reappearical. He grinned from ear to earicle until uh-oh. Now everyone has the hiccups, and that's the end. Except for the potamus. He doesn't have the hiccups anymore, but the rest of his friends do now. Oh my goodness, wasn't that a fabulous book? Nana loved it so much. It was perfectly silly with tongue twisters, and it was just really a phenomenal book. And I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. It is time for me to go, my friends, but before I do, I just want to encourage you to continue letting your light shine by being kind. Until next time, take care of yourselves. God bless you. And always, always, always remember that this silly Nana right here really does love you. Take care.